Hello everyone, let's see today how to prepare egg burji. It's easy recipe. Bachelors also can cook within 5 to 10 minutes. Here I am taking 8 tomatoes and chopped them, and 10 eggs and 2 onions and 5 to 6 mirchi and curry patta. So as much as required you can take curry patta. And these are the ingredients, and I'm taking here AMC cookware, so I'm adding very less oil. If you are cooking in normal, add 2 more spoons extra. So adding zira and mirchi, chopped mirchi, and let's add onion, chopped onions. Saute well until it turns like little brown color. Now add salt, turmeric, curry patta. Salt you can take as much as required. And after frying these items, let's add tomato. I think it will take like 4 to 5 minutes tomato to get fried. Okay. After that, add ginger garlic paste 1 spoon and 1 spoon of red chilli powder and 2 spoons of coriander powder. Mix it well and leave for 2 to 3 minutes. And now add 1 glass of water. After adding water, it should give for again 2 to 3 minutes to boil. See, like this it's boiled now. Now we are going to add egg. So 1 full egg I am adding like this. You should not mix it. Let's add all eggs, how much quantity you want to take it. I am going to add here 10 eggs. So after adding all these eggs, don't mix, keep it for 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes you see here eggs how it boiled. Now flip it other side. These eggs, all eggs, flip other side. It will be very tasty. You also try and comment on this. After flipping, we can add at the end pepper powder. So always we should add pepper powder at the end to get exact flavor of the pepper. So I am going to add here pepper, and it depends on spicy as you require. You can add. So egg burji is ready. So it will be a good combination for your roti or rice. Thank you for watching.